Hi, I'm Beth Kingston, here to tell you about the ezLaminator from Xyron. Also called the ezLam, it applies double-sided laminate or laminate and magnet on items up to 9 inches wide without heat, batteries, or electricity. It's the perfect alternative to magnet sheets or hot lamination and is great for your home, school, and office projects. Whether you're making fridge photos, laminating favorite recipes, or preserving documents, the ezLaminator is the answer, and it's very easy to use. The ezLaminator is refillable and comes with 15 feet of double-sided laminate. To use it, simply fold down the feed tray, insert your item, then you crank the handle until your item comes out the back. Once it's come all the way out, you just press down on the orange button and slide it across, and that's going to separate it from the machine. If you need to, you can easily trim around the item with a pair of scissors without worrying about the laminate separating. It's that easy. Refill cartridges are available in double-sided laminate and laminate with magnet. When you're ready to change cartridges or switch applications, simply lift the latch on the lid, pull out the old cartridge, drop in a new cartridge, close the lid until it clicks, and you're ready to go. Don't bother with expensive electric laminators that require warm-up time or laminate pouches that come in fixed sizes. The Xyron ezLaminator has you and your documents covered.